Grace and peace be multiplied unto you all. You are all welcome to this week's mathematics lesson. We'll be learning about pattern making. Pattern making. Pattern is used in this world to make what? Several what? Creative things in this world. Okay? Like those who weave the kente, it is pattern that they use to do it. They weave it in a way, they use pattern to what? They create pattern with the what? Colors and the colors, making it what? Attractive. Those who build also use pattern. They arrange it in the way, the design that they want. The masons know how to do it. They use pattern, they create pattern to what? Make it nice, to make your house or the house that they are building nice. Okay, those who manufacture cars, they create pattern by what? Adding what? Certain parts of the car together, repeating certain things to make it more attractive and beautiful. Okay, yeah, so in mathematics, there is something we call number pattern. Okay, so we are going to learn about number pattern. Let's go through the objectives. Okay, by the end of the lesson, the people should be able to find the rule in creating what? Number pattern, or finding the rule and creating number pattern. So we are going to learn how to find the rule and also how to create number pattern. Before you can create any pattern, you need a rule to guide you to create the pattern. You can't create a pattern without what? Using a rule. Otherwise it won't be a what? Pattern. So every pattern needs a rule to guide it to create a what? A good pattern. Okay, so number pattern. This is a situation whereby a particular number range or rule is repeated for an interval to create pattern. Once again, this is a situation whereby a particular number range or rule is repeated for an interval to create what? Pattern. So the particular what? Situation whereby a number range or rule is repeated for an interval to create what? Pattern. If it is 1, you are going to repeat by adding 1 to it. 1 and 1, 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So by creating what? A pattern. If it is 5, 5 plus what? 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Okay, then it follows until where you want to stop. So that's how pattern is. You need a rule to be able to create a pattern. Let's go through some examples of number patterns. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have dash, 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 11. So we have been asked to fill in the spaces provided. I know you say this one is easy, you can do it, but we need to what? Find the rule first. We need to find the rule. And whenever you want to find the rule, you subtract the first number from the second number. So to find the rule in any number pattern, you have to subtract the first number from the second number. So 2 minus 1. So we are subtracting the first number from the second number. So 1, 2. Then we are taking out 1 to be left with what? 1. So it means that the rule is what? 1. That's the rule for this number pattern. Okay? So we are only going to what? Add 1 to it. After getting our answer, then we add another 1. When we get the answer, we add another 1. So let's see. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1 is what? 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1 is what? 10. So you see, by finding the rule, we have been able to answer our what? Number pattern. We have been able to fill in the gaps that was left. So the first thing that you have to do is to find the rule. After what? And how to find the rule? You subtract the first number from the second number to find the rule of any what? Number pattern. Let's go to the second example. We can see what 1, 3, 5, 7, dash, 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 15. Yes, we have been asked to fill in the spaces provided in this number pattern. Yes, and I said to be able to make a pattern, the first thing that you have to do is to find the rule. And to find the rule, you have to subtract the first number from the second number. So 3 minus 1. We are subtracting the first number from the second number. So 1, 2, 3 minus 1. It will be left with what? 1, 2. So the rule is what? 2. So we are going to what? Add 2 to what? All the answers that we get. So we can see from here, 1 plus 2 is going to give us what? 3. 1 plus 2. 1, 2, 3. We have 3, right? 3 plus what? 2. So 1, 2, 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have what? 5. Okay. 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have that's why we have what? 7. Okay. So we are always going to add 2 to all the numbers that we have to fill in the space provided. So we have 7. 7 plus what? 2, because the rule that we have was what? 2. So 7 plus 2. Let's count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 2. 1, 2. We're going to count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means that this side is what? 9. So we have found for the first distance, first space provided. We are going to continue using the one that we have found, which is the 9. So 9 plus what? 2. Let us count 9 plus 2. Let us count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Plus what? 2. Let us count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are going to get what? 11. So 11. So 11 plus what? 2, because the rule is saying 2. The rule is 2. So we are always going to add 2 to all the answers that we get. So let us count 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Plus what? 2. 1, 2. Let us count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? So it's called 13. We are going to get our 13. Okay. So that's it. Even if you want to add 2 to the 13, let's see. If you are going to get the 15, now it was there. Let's count 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, plus 2. 1, 2. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we can see with the use of the rule, we have been able to find our number pattern. Let's go through the last example. We can see 5, 10, 15, 20, dash, 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 40. Okay? So I said before we can continue with this number part, we can find for this side. We have to find the rule. And the rule always subtract the first number from the second number. So 10 minus 5. So we count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to do it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So the rule is what? 5. So we are going to add 5, 5, 5, 5 to each other. So we count 5 plus 5 is what? 10. 10 plus 5 is what? 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. So we have to find for the other ones. 20 plus 5. Okay? Let's count 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 plus 5. Let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the rule that we had was what? 5. So let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we have what? 25. So this side is what? 25. So 25 plus 5. So if this side is 25, and we are adding 5 to it. Okay? 25 plus 5. Let's add 5 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because when we calculated it, we have 25. So we have added the 5 to it. Let's count all together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we're going to get what? 30. Okay? So this one is equal to 30. So 30 plus 5. Let's count. Let's count the 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we have 35. So the first thing that we did was finding the rule by subtracting the first number from the second number. And we saw that it was 5. And we added 5 to 8 and we have found for all. Then 5 plus 5 is going to give us 40. If you don't understand anything, just take your time, go through the video and answer the question that you have been sent. Stay safe, read the Bible, pray. Bye bye.